In this video, I will show how to insert image in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, we need some images for animal and save it. Now, in the Excel, select any particular row and change the size where you need. And here in the insert the shape rectangle. Draw rectangle, press and hold Alt key. Now right click on it, or here click on shape fill and select the picture from a file and select your picture. Now increase and adjust the size for this cell. Same in the second shape rectangle and press and hold Alt and draw rectangle. In the shape fill, select your second picture. So thanks for watching guys, and this way you can insert the properly picture into cell. Comment this video useful for you, and if you have any query, so I will resolve it. Just you need now adjust this all cell size so you can see the properly like this. Here also in the format you can change the row height and size.